tricolor meaning jana ne? Jana? So koasun orange color or key meaning?
Courage.
Yes, good. Our white or?
Peace.
Yes. Our green?
Road.
Of-
Growth of the land.
Yes, very good. Yay! Akil, do you know the meaning of Indian flag tricolor? Do you know?
Yes.
Yes. Then what's the meaning of orange?
White and green and
Orange.
orange.
এইখিনি ঠিক আছে হ'ব আকিল জয় হিন্দ জয় হিন্দ Happy Independence Day! দাঁড়া Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day guys and welcome back to my channel. So আজি এটা বহুত auspicious day আমাৰ as an Indian. This is a very auspicious day. We were independent. We got independence on this very day. So আজি আমি হেনেকে every year Republic Day আৰু Independence Day আমি এনে ঘৰ সবে মিলি আমি এনে celebrate কৰোঁ আৰু every year এইটো এটা আমাৰ ritual হয় এটা আমাৰ এভৰি পাপা এভৰি ইয়েৰ পাপা এনেকৈ ফ্লেগ লগায় সৰুৰ পৰা আমি ফ্লেগ লগাই আহিছোঁ এনেকৈ চ' আজি বেছি ভাল লাগিছে বিকজ আই কুড শ্বেয়াৰ দিছ আৰ অস্পিচিয়াছ ডে উইথ এভৰি ওৱান এণ্ড উই শুড অল বি ভেৰি হেপী এণ্ড চেলিব্ৰেট দিছ ডে অফ আৱাৰ ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেঞ্চ এণ্ড আমি আজি সেনেকৈ সৰু সুৰাকৈ আজি চেলিব্ৰেট কৰিলোঁ ৰাতিপুৱা আৰু এতিয়া ভাবি আছোঁ আই থিংক মই কেক বা কিবা এটা বনাব ট্ৰাই কৰিম ট্ৰাইকলাৰ কেক অৰ চামথিং চ' লেটছ see how I spend the entire day with the kids. Or a kid to ki korise na. Akil, did you enjoy? Akil, did you enjoy? Akil, did you enjoy? Say yes. Akil, did you enjoy? Akil, তোমাক এটা কোনে বনাই দিছে? কোনে বনাই দিছে?
Amy.
এটা কি হয়? বা আমাৰ ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ.
Flag.
Yeah. Did you enjoy?
No.
Did you enjoy? Yes, we enjoyed.
Yeah.
A celebration is incomplete without the cake. Here I'm whipping the cream, and the consistency of the cream is really important. And here we got the stiff pick, which is the perfect consistency of the cream. I tinted the cream into the tricolor, and so bacha party karne cupcakes is always special. They love cupcakes, so I thought why not give the cupcake a look of the flag, tricolor of the flag. So heneke moi tinta color di cupcakes to cream disu, and a small cake also I prepared. And this is a really good way to make kids know about the day, because aji ami celebrate korisu, so somewhere or the other the kids realize that it's a very auspicious occasion, and they enjoyed and they remember their country and everything. So this is a very beautiful way of teaching your child about any great occasion or auspicious day. We invited other kids also, and our helper who helps us in all our household chores, she has got 2 children. We also invited them, and even they enjoyed a lot.
Keep it. Doiba happy? Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.
Abo ba na lage? চলো পুরো হামাতে পারো সবার কাপে আছে একটু লই লওয়া কাপে এক্সপোজ হবো ওয়ান ওয়ান That's how we celebrated our Independence Day. It was really amazing celebrating the beautiful day with kids, and the most importantly I tried to celebrate this with kids so that they will understand the importance of this day. I made them I told them why we celebrate this day, and they understood it. Even the 3-year-old Akil, he understood that there is something called India, there is something that we love our country and about the flags and everything, and that was really amazing. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys enjoyed, guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.